Not that you will just rub body lotion and within 30 minutes your skin is already feeling dry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really going to be an interesting one because it's a highly requested video from some of my subscribers and some of my friends as well. Like, I've received a lot of DMs asking me to review some best body lotions that they can use to maintain their skin, both as a fair skin person and as a caramel or dark skin person. So I have decided to review some best body lotions that you can use to maintain your skin as a fair skin person and also as a dark or caramel person without damaging your skin, and it will also help even out your skin tone and glow your skin at the same time, because we are not doing boring skin here, right? So if you're interested in knowing some of the best body lotions that you can use to maintain your fair skin without damaging your skin, that would also help even out your skin tone, your discoloration, hyperpigmentation, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and let's jump right into it. So if you're just seeing this beautiful face for the first time, please don't make it your last. Make sure you join the family by clicking on that subscribe button below to get subscribed to my channel and also catch up on other videos that you've missed. Now, before going ahead to review some of my best body lotions for fair skin that will help you maintain your fair skin, I just want to give you guys some tips to watch out for when choosing your body lotions. There are some things you need to watch out for, just so that you don't end up wasting your money buying the wrong body lotion and then you'll be able to get the benefit from that body lotion you get. Now, the number one tip you want to watch out for is that you want to choose body lotions that are meant for your skin type. Like, a lot of people are often guilty of this. Like, they just go to the market and just grab any body lotion they see, maybe because the label is attractive or because the body lotion is trending. Like, but no, you need to consider some things. You need to know whether that particular body lotion is for your skin type. There are some body lotions that they are specifically made for oily skin or for dry skin. So if somebody with dry skin should choose a body lotion meant for oily skin, how will that person see the benefit? Like, it will just keep reacting on your skin, you get. So you need to get the right body lotion for your skin type, or better still, just get a body lotion that is meant for all skin type. That way you know you are safe, right? Another tip you want to watch out for when getting your body lotion is consistency. Like, you want to make sure the consistency of your body lotion is okay, like is lightweight, not heavy creams. And I hope you know that creams are different from lotions. Like, creams are kind of heavy, like they are heavyweight, while body lotions are kind of lightweight, more fluid in texture or in consistency. So you want to make sure you are getting body lotions instead of creams, because creams can be quite heavy. But then again, this is 2022, right? Like, who still uses heavy creams? So apart from the fact that heavy creams can actually make you sweat a lot, heavy creams will not even penetrate into your skin. Like, they will just keep sitting on your skin when you apply them. So what's the essence? Like, you want to be able to get a body lotion that will penetrate deep into your skin for you to start seeing results, right? So please, you want to make sure your body lotions are not heavy. Make sure they are lightweight. So later on in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys some tips on the proper way to use body lotions for you to really get effective results. So you want to keep on watching, okay? Now, moving on to some of my best body lotions for fair skin. The number one body lotion on my list is the Pure Egyptian Whitening Body Lotion. Now, wait, calm down. You will say whitening, right? But trust me when I say this body lotion doesn't whiten. Like, I've actually tried it before. It doesn't whiten. So this is the body lotion. This is how it looks like. So it has a scratch code here that you can use to check if it's original or not. So the reason why I actually got this body lotion then was because I read through the ingredient list and I saw that it was made with natural ingredients, and you all know I'm big on natural ingredients. Like, my skin does well with natural ingredients. So I saw that it contains egg yolk, vitamin C, carrot oil, glutathione, collagen, and all these ingredients are actually natural ingredients that would really help your skin. Collagen will help firm your skin, will also help increase your skin elasticity. Then we know vitamin C, right? Vitamin C is a natural skin brightener that would really add nutrients to your skin. Glutathione is also a natural skin brightener, Then carrot oil, we all know carrot oil is also good for the skin. So this body lotion will not whiten you, but it's actually going to help maintain your fair skin. When I used this body lotion, I noticed that it evened out my skin tone. Like, I was dealing with some kind of hyperpigmentation at that time. So this body lotion was really helpful then. It really helped me to blend my skin and even out my skin tone, you get. And I also love the fact that it also contains some UVA and UVB protection, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't use your sunscreen, right? Still make sure you're using your sunscreen, but I also love the fact that this body lotion is SPF 20, yeah. And from what is written here, it claims here to be anti-pimples, anti-stretch mark, anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, and anti-blemish. So I really don't know about the anti-pimples because I didn't try it on my face, just on my body. Because no, I don't use body lotions on my face. Like my face, no. That's anti-aging property because of the collagen in it. Collagen is a very good ingredient for anti-aging. If you are dealing with aging skin, wrinkles, blemishes and all, then you can also try this body lotion out. So when I got this body lotion, I think 2019, and at that time it was around 4,500. So I don't know how much this body lotion will cost right now, because we all know the situation of things, right? But when I got it 4,500. So you want to make sure you check for the scratch code so you can know whether you're getting the original of this body lotion or not. So the second body lotion on my list is the Medix 5.5 vitamin C body lotion with turmeric. Now, looking at the name, you will know that this body lotion is going to brighten your skin naturally because it's made with natural ingredients like vitamin C, turmeric, ginger, that would help brighten your skin naturally and also help repair your skin at the same time. That's one thing people don't know about natural products. Like, all these natural products too will help repair your skin. Like, in fact, if you are looking towards repairing your skin, you want to make sure you are going for skincare products that contains natural ingredients, because that is what will help repair your skin, honestly. So this body lotion would also help repair your skin. This body lotion will also give your fair skin this radiant glow, such that you are not just fair but you are also glowing. You know what I mean? Now, this body lotion doesn't bleach, please. So you want to consistently use this product for you to see effect. Like, don't just use this body lotion for like 2 or 3 weeks and say is making you dark or is not brightening you, your skin tone is just still there, it's just still the same. No, that's one thing about natural ingredients. You need to be consistent. So you want to consistently use this thing. Consistent usage of this body lotion will help blend your skin, would also help brighten your skin naturally, and also help repair your skin. Another thing I love about this body lotion is that it also helps take care of your hyperpigmentation or discoloration on your skin. Now, I know that one major skin issue that we fair people have is hyperpigmentation, discoloration. So you want to use body lotions that would help treat such hyperpigmentation or discoloration. And this particular body lotion, this Medix 5.5 vitamin C body lotion with turmeric, will actually help get rid of your hyperpigmentation. And this body lotion also have anti-aging properties. Now, isn't that wonderful? Like, it has anti-aging properties that would also help increase your skin elasticity and increase collagen production on your skin. Like, your skin will just keep looking young and beautiful. The last time I priced this body lotion, it was around 10k to 11k. So, but I think it depends on your location, but just keep that at the back of your mind. The third body lotion on my list is the Teals body lotion with vitamin C and citrus. Now, I know some of you would have heard of this Teals body lotion, right? Because it's kind of trending right now, especially on TikTok. Like, Teals lotion is trending, and it's not just trending for trending sake, it's actually effective. Like, it does work. So this body lotion have different variants, like there are different variants in the market, but I actually love the one with vitamin C and citrus, because you guys already know I'm addicted to vitamin C, right? So I really love this body lotion with vitamin C and citrus because they are natural skin brightener. So this body lotion will brighten your skin naturally when used over time, you get. So if you are looking towards lightening your skin like 3 shades, this body lotion will not do that. So, but if you are naturally fair skin and you are looking for something to maintain that your skin tone, then please you can go for this Teals body lotion. It's going to help maintain your skin. You are not going to go dark. It's not a bleaching cream. You're not going to go dark. It will just help maintain your current skin tone. Now, I also love the fact that this body lotion is lightweight, so it will penetrate deep into your skin, glide easily through your skin to start working. This body lotion is also very moisturizing because it contains vitamin E oil, cocoa butter that would help moisturize your skin and also repair your skin at the same time. That's another thing you need to watch out for when choosing your body lotion. You want to make sure that body lotion too is moisturizing. Not that you will just rub body lotion and within 30 minutes your skin is already feeling dry or looking white, you get. So you want to make sure your body lotion is very moisturizing. So the current price of this body lotion is between 8k to 9k depending on your location. Now, another body lotion on my list is the Fair and White body lotion. Now, I know this body lotion is very popular. I'm talking about the one with the pink color actually. Now, this body lotion is very good. It's specifically made for fair skin. Like if you are fair and you're looking for something to help maintain your fair skin, please go for this Fair and White body lotion. It's going to brighten your skin and also moisturize your skin at the same time. Like it will bring out your color and also even out your skin too. Like I have friends that use this Fair and White body lotion and it has been working well for them. It just helps maintain their skin color and also makes their skin appear more glowing. So if you are dealing with any kind of hyperpigmentation and discoloration, this body lotion will also take care of that. But the downside about this body lotion too is that it's kind of pricey. The last time I priced this body lotion, it was between 6,000 to 7,000. So depending on your location, you might have to pay up to 6k or 7k for this Fair and White body lotion. Now, the last body lotion on my list is the Amlatin daily moisturizing body lotion. Now, this body lotion is a game changer. Like this body lotion is an exfoliating body lotion. Like it's very rare for you to see a body lotion that is moisturizing and also exfoliate your skin at the same time. So this body lotion contains about 12% lactic acid, which is a chemical exfoliant that would help exfoliate your skin as you are using your body lotion. Most times when I recommend these Amlatin body lotions to my clients, it's mainly because they are on a budget and they cannot afford body scrubs. So I just recommend this Amlatin body lotion to them because it's going to exfoliate their skin at the same time. So it's more or less like you are using an exfoliating body scrub. So this body lotion is actually a great choice for people that really don't have time to scrub their body with an exfoliating body scrub. You can go for this body lotion. It's more or less like an exfoliating body scrub. It's going to exfoliate your skin and brighten your skin at the same time and also moisturizes your skin. Yes, it's going to moisturize your skin. Another thing I love about this body lotion is that it's also a repair kind of body lotion. It will help repair your skin at the same time. You all know my stand about repairing your skin, right? You need to also use lotions that would help repair your skin, and this Amlatin daily moisturizing body lotion is a good repair lotion. So if you are battling with irritation, like any skin irritation, discoloration or hyperpigmentation, please go for this Amlatin body lotion, because hope you know that if you want to treat your hyperpigmentation or discoloration, you also need something that is exfoliating, and this Amlatin body lotion will help exfoliate your skin. So it's going to help treat any kind of skin irritation, discoloration, hyperpigmentation on your skin, and also brighten your skin at the same time. Also, I forgot to mention that if you have a sensitive skin and you always react to physical exfoliants, this is a great way of introducing exfoliation to your skin because it contains chemical exfoliant, so it's going to help exfoliate your skin without irritating your skin. The downside about this body lotion is that you want to step up on your sunscreen game. You know this body lotion is an exfoliating body lotion, so because of that it can make your skin to become sensitive to the sun. So you want to make sure you are always applying your sunscreen. And if I will be using this body lotion, I would prefer to use this body lotion at night when there won't be sun. But then if you are still going to use it in the morning, you can use it, but just make sure you apply your sunscreen. So the current price of this body lotion is 9,000 naira, but that also still depends on your location. All these body lotions I talked about won't bleach your skin and they won't cause any form of irritation on your skin. They are very mild. They will just help brighten your skin, blend your skin, like even out your skin tone, and also moisturize your skin as well. And some of them also helps repair your skin, as I've said earlier. So that means you won't just be brightening your skin, you won't just be maintaining your fair skin, but you will also be repairing your skin along. Now let's talk about the proper way to use these body lotions for you to get effective results. The number one tip you want to do is that you want to make sure you're using these body lotions alongside with body oils. Like, don't just use your body lotion alone and expect to get that glowing, like mad glow. You need to also add a body oil. So body lotions alone won't really get the job done, especially if you are looking towards achieving a blinding glow. Like if you want your glow to blind your enemies. Just joking, right? So just make sure you pair your body lotions with your body oil. You just apply little of your body lotion, then you take your body oil as well, then you just put few drops. Don't pour your body oil into your body lotion, please don't pour it. Just take few pumps of your body lotion, then you add your body oil, rub together, then you apply. Another method you can use is to first apply your body lotion, apply it and rub on your skin. After that, you go back to your body oil, just apply few drops of your body oil, then you massage on your skin, and that's all. Like, your skin will glow. Why won't your skin glow? Like, it's going to really glow and help maintain your fair skin, so that your fair skin will be looking radiant, shining, and beautiful. Another tip is that after applying your body lotion, you want to make sure you follow up with a sunscreen. Like, I can't stress this part enough, you need a sunscreen. Using a body lotion without sunscreen is just like a wasted effort. Like, it's just like you're wasting your time and your money, because the sun will keep preventing your body lotion from working well on your skin. So you need a sunscreen. And please don't rely on any body lotion that claims to have SPF 15, SPF 20, UV and UVB ray protection. Please don't rely on those body lotions. After applying your body lotion, still go over with your own sunscreen. Another tip is that you want to make sure you are exfoliating your skin. Like, using any skincare product at all without exfoliating your skin is just like you're wasting your time too. Because why will you be applying your body lotion on a dead skin? So you want to make sure you're exfoliating your skin 2 to 3 times a week. That way your body lotion can penetrate deep into your skin to start working. Another tip is that you want to apply your body lotion on a damp skin. Now, I know most of you don't know this, right? So please, for telling you this tip, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe now. So you want to make sure you apply on a damp skin. Now, the secret about applying your body lotions on a damp skin is that it helps your body lotion to penetrate deep into your skin. Like, if you apply on a dry skin, there's every tendency of your body lotion just staying on your skin without penetrating deep. So when your skin is damp, like your skin is still feeling very soft, that's when you want to apply your body lotion, so that as the remaining water left on your skin is drying up, your body lotion is sinking into your skin. Like, do you get that logic? So following all these tips will really help make your body lotion work better on your skin, and you will stop complaining that your body lotion are not working. So on my next video, I'll be sharing with you guys the best body lotions you can use to maintain your dark skin and caramel skin. So if you are dark skin, caramel skin, my caramel divas, you want to stay tuned to this channel for my next upload. Make sure you turn on your bell notification so that when I upload that video, you'll be the first to be notified. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Have you tried any of these body lotions I mentioned? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, now please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel to support your girl. Also, please like this video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery